ఇప్పుడు యూట్యూబ్ బద్దలైపోతోంది. బాలయ్య చెప్పిన ఒక్కొక్క డైలాగ్కి ఫ్యాన్స్ పిచ్చెక్కిపోతున్నారు. మరి పైసా వసూల్ బాలయ్య స్టంపర్ 101లో హీరోయిన్గా మెరుస్తున్న శ్రియా సరన్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. శ్రియా, ముందుగా నీకు గణేష్ చతుర్థి శుభాకాంక్షలు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. గణేష్ చతుర్థి శుభాకాంక్షలు.
మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తే అర్థమవుతుంది ఇంట్లో చక్కగా పూజ చేసి వచ్చారు అని. వాట్ డిడ్ యూ ప్రే గాడ్?
I pray that you ask me very nice questions. I pray that you don't ask me anything boring. You don't ask me why am I in the industry for so many years. I pray that you don't ask me those. And I pray that the movie Paisa Vasool does really well.
Okay.
By the way, I love your short hair. It's looking very nice.
Oh, thank you so much.
I like the way you've curled it.
Oh, thank you
really
so
cool.
much. That's a nice compliment coming from a great big heroine like you.
No. Great matlab to pata nahi. Big matlab
big. Oh, beautiful. Okay, from a beautiful heroine.
तो छोटा है.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు నేనేం ప్రే చేసుకున్నానో చెప్పనా? That I should ask her some very good questions and get some more information from you. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీరు ఎక్కడ చెప్పాలి, చాలా విషయాలు మాకు చెప్పాలి, some secrets షేర్ చేసుకోవాలని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను.
సరే.
Let's see.
We'll try.
It's a win-win game. Okay, for both of us. Okay, సరదాగా పైసా వసూల్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటూనే మీ ఫస్ట్ ఫిలిం నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు మీ మైల్ స్టోన్ మూవీస్ కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాటి గురించి సరదా క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను.
సరే.
జస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ ఆఫ్ విత్ ఇష్టం.
ఓకే.
యాజ్ అన్ యాక్టర్ శ్రియకి ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ ఏం పర్ఫామ్ చేయడం బాగా ఇష్టం?
It depends. Like for me, I love to tell a story. That's what I love acting. I love to be on stage. From when I was 5, I fell in love with stage, theatre, movies. I don't know. There was a time that I wanted my emotions to be very real, especially. And then I think there was a time that I was working on my comedy timings, and then there was a time that I wanted to understand scripts. But today I just want to enjoy myself on screen, whether I'm crying, laughing, smiling,
dancing.
Whether if it's I'm dancing. Today I think in a way I like to do something that makes me happy and I can go to sleep in the night, knowing that I somewhere little bit contributed to Indian cinema. That's enough.
Little bit. So ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు ఇంతే కంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేశారని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు.
I love what I do. I don't understand why I should give away what I do. I appreciate the fact that I've been loved.
Did someone ask you to?
Yeah, people ask me till when will you work or when will you retire. I would love to work up until the time I die. I enjoy telling a story. I enjoy and love being in front of the camera. I love being part of people's life. And I will be doing different kinds of characters. Like right now, I'm really looking forward to something. I want to do a small film, cute, interesting. Because I've done 2 massive films back to back. So I think now it's come to a point where I want to know what I want to do next, but I don't know what I want to do in 10 years. The only thing I know is that as long as I'm somewhere around that camera, in front, behind, directing,
you should always be
somewhere around. Yeah, that's all I know.
Okay. సో ఎప్పుడు కెమెరా ముందు ఉండాలి, కెమెరాతో పాటుగా ఉండాలి, అంతే కదా. ఒక ఆర్టిస్ట్ కి అల్టిమేట్ గా హ్యాపీనెస్ ఇచ్చేది అదే.
To be honest, yeah, that's what we live for. I'm sure that's what you live for.
మీ నెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ వాజ్ సంతోషం కదా?
Yeah.
అలాంటి డల్ మూమెంట్స్ లో కూడా మిమ్మల్ని హ్యాపీగా సంతోషంగా ఉంచే వ్యక్తి ఎవరు మీ లైఫ్ లో?
I think Santosham was too funny, man. I just didn't know acting. I didn't understand anything. I just did what they told me to do, and sometimes I never did what they told me to do. But it's just the fact of not knowing what you're doing kind of works sometimes. And
but మీ రియల్ లైఫ్ లో who is that one person who keeps you always happy?
In my real life lo oka person ledu kani na I have friends. Andalo I have beautiful friends. Very few people are lucky to have great friends. I think everyone falls in love, but very few people have the heart to understand it. And very few people have great friends. I have lovely friends. హైదరాబాద్లో, బాంబేలో, ఢిల్లీలో చాలా చాలా even my birthplace హైదరాబాద్లో beautiful friends, very good well wishers. My family, it's been a great support. Mama, my dad, my nephew, my niece, my brother, my sister-in-law, my relatives.
అందరూ
అందరూ
కంప్లీట్ ప్యాకేజ్ మీకు.
ఎందుకంటే it's important as an actor. You need that whatever. But I mean, you need to trust yourself and believe in yourself. But that belief only comes from people around you, who you surround yourself with. So I've been lucky to have some lovely friends.
చెన్న కేశవరెడ్డితో ఫస్ట్ టైం మీరు బాలకృష్ణతో కలిసి యాక్ట్ చేశారు. ఇప్పటివరకు ఎన్ని సినిమాలు చేశారు బాలయ్యతో?
Until now I've done Chinna Keshav Reddy, Gautamiputra Satakarni and Paisa Vasool.
3 films కదా?
Yeah.
బాలయ్య ఇన్ చెన్న కేశవరెడ్డి అండ్ బాలయ్య ఇన్ పైసా వసూల్. ఏంటి డిఫరెన్స్?
నాకు ఒక డిఫరెన్స్ ఇట్స్ డిఫికల్ట్ ఫర్ మీ టు పిన్ పాయింట్. ఎందుకంటే చిన్న కేశవరెడ్డిలో ఐ వాజ్ 17-year-old little child. I didn't know.
భయపడ్డారా బాలకృష్ణ అంటే?
లేదండి, I was never afraid of him. ఎందుకంటే I didn't even know, right? Like I was a little child. Like I mean, the max I could be scared of anyone or anything would be how I was scared of my principal. That's it.
అంతేనా?
Ante. Yeah. 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 Anything anyone said, I would just laugh and like laugh at them. Of course, Gautamiputra Satakarni, everything I've done in the film, mottam credit I will give it to Krish. Everything is him. He's a brilliant director, and I joke about it. I say that you manipulate actors. You know what to tell them when, you know how to make them cry. He just holds your switch on, switch off button. Like he could just do this and I would cry, do this and I would laugh. He was just amazing to work with. And the first film I did with Balia Garu, that's Vinayak Garu. If it wasn't for Vinayak, I don't think I would have done anything in the film.
And what about Puri?
Puri sir is very, he believes in a lot of realism. So he doesn't let you, even in commercial films. So I think that's kind of his USP, which he doesn't let you rehearse too much. He likes everything to be very natural, and he works with intuitions a lot more, I think. And it was wonderful to work with. I've always wanted to work with Puri sir. So it was just fantastic to work with Puri sir all over again. And then with Balia Garu, because I've already worked with him. So there's always a sense of comfort working with people you've already worked with.
బాలకృష్ణకి ఎంత పెద్ద హ్యూజ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఉందో మీకు తెలుసు?
నిజంగా నాకు exactly how big his following is, I got to know America. America, it was crazy. Every city, there were caravans and cars and flowers.
ఏంటి ఆయనలో ఉన్న యూనిక్ ఫీచర్?
జై బాలయ్య, జై బాలయ్య, జై బాలయ్య.
నేను అడుగుతా వరకునే మీరు అదే చెప్పేశారు.
See, okay, actress lo, you know what you think, okay fine, morning flight, you'll go, at least you know, like at least wear lipstick and get out of the aircraft. You know what I mean? Like, you know, they're photographers and all. America lo, chala pedda, you know, the massive airports and all.
అవును.
There were fans in front of the aircraft. Can you believe that? I was like, oh my god, what's this? What's going on? And yeah, and once I told Balia Garu, this is not fair. Balia Garu,
మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరు పట్టించుకోలేదా?
No one's talking to me. I'm not getting ready to die. I'm not wearing 1 hour of makeup, blow drying my hair and wearing a new dress. I'm not coming, Balia Garu. No one's gonna look at me. So that day, Balia Garu made sure every picture I was there. He's like, you cut the cake, you be there in the picture.
So sweet.
Yeah, so that was what, I don't remember which city it was, but Balia Garu was at the back and I was always in the front. And New Jersey, though, it was crazy, like literally crazy. Yeah.
సూపర్. నువ్వే మీరు మీ లైఫ్లో ఇదిగో నువ్వే తప్పు చేసావు, యూ డిడ్ ఇట్ అని చెప్పేసి బాగా ఆర్గ్యూ చేసిన వ్యక్తి ఎవరు?
Nuve, this famous dialogue was for me, it was Nuve Maripoya. When I go and tell my father that you've changed. Yeah. Anyway, so what are you saying?
అలాగా మీరు రియల్ లైఫ్లో ఎవరితో ఫైట్ చేస్తారు, ఆర్గ్యూ చేస్తారు?
Yeah, I fight with my mom a lot. I don't know how we even coexist with each other. Me, my mom, I fight with my mom, I fight with my dad, I fight with my friends. I don't fight. I think I have very strong opinions about things and it takes a while for me to break them. So yeah.
ఓకే, నీకు నేను నాకు నువ్వు అనుకుంటూ మీరు లైఫ్ లాంగ్ ఒక వ్యక్తితో ఉండాలంటే ఆ వ్యక్తికి ఉండాల్సిన లక్షణాలు ఏంటి? పాడండి కమాన్.
Why are you asking me about men's quality because of Niku Nenu Naku Nuvu?
అలా మీరు మీ లైఫ్లో ఏ వ్యక్తితో ఉండాలి అంటే ఆ వ్యక్తికి ఉండాల్సిన లక్షణాలు ఏంటి అని.
You're asking me what kind?
నీకు నేను నాకు నువ్వు అని ఎవరు అనుకుంటారు?
Yeah,
Someone
I
who
know.
are very deep in love.
Yeah.
If you have to be in such deep love,
Oh God.
what is that special feature or quality the other person should have?
Oh God. I don't know. I don't know. I've come to believe that people you fall in love, they don't come with tick marks and they don't come with anything that you think that you would fall in love with them for. You fall in love with people and then you grow with them and you evolve, and sometimes they make you fall in love with yourself, and sometimes they teach you something about yourself, and sometimes they're just complete opposite, and that's what is they're trying to make you learn things about yourself that you would not know. So I don't think they come with any tick marks. I don't think so. I have friends who are not like me at all, and I love them. I have friends who don't share my likes and dislikes at all. Yeah. So the real friendships last with people not because you can laugh with them, but because it doesn't matter. You don't have to. The connection is strong enough.
నేనున్నాను మీ సినిమాల్లో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ హిట్ ఫిల్మ్స్. మీ కెరీర్ బాగా పీక్ టైంలో ఉన్నది. ఆ టైంలో మీకు బాగా టఫ్ కాంపిటీషన్ అనిపించిన హీరోయిన్స్ ఎవరు? వాజ్ ఇట్ ఇలియానా ఆర్ త్రిషా ఆర్ సంబడి ఎల్స్?
I don't even know. I don't think we ever looked at it like that. Because there was a time when Insta and Facebook was not even there. Like Insta and
అవును,
Twitter and all. People just worked, no one cared. Everyone just met when we met. And there was a lot of love. I still have some pictures of me with, a lot of these girls. And so there's no competition as such.
ఓకే. బాలు ABCDEFG. ABCDEFGకి ఒక అబ్రివేషన్ ఉంది. డూ యూ నో దట్?
No.
Can you try something?
No.
A boy can do everything for a girl and
Lovely. A girl, I think it should be a girl can do anything for a boy and boy just reciprocates.
అంతేనా?
I
బాయ్
think
కెనాట్
it's a girl. No, of course it's a woman who does everything for a man.
15 years దాటిన తర్వాత కూడా అన్లైక్ సో మెనీ అదర్ స్టార్స్ మీరు ఇలా ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నారు?
I will answer this question the day you ask this to every hero in Telugu industry. Because unse to bologe nahi. To फिर actress से क्यों पूछते हो? So what if a hero can look the same in 15 years?
Heroines చాలా తక్కువ. Heroines
There is
5 years
nothing like
career
this.
is like a big career making.
That's because you as a journalist, I mean, I don't, and it's so strange, not one male journalist has asked me that. It's only the female journalists who ask me. So basically, you in your head don't want an actress to do a film beyond 5 years.
No,
because,
no, not at
so
all.
that boils down to the kind of stories people
I'm
write
actually
for
complimenting you.
us. Yeah, but why? It's not a compliment. I think it's just part of my job. You don't ask a doctor how do you take.
I'm just asking you how you're looking so beautiful. What's the kind of care
I
you're
know,
taking?
but what is it? How does it matter as to how old I am and how many years I've been in the industry? It's about if I look good or I don't look
Because
good.
people started becoming shapeless over a period of time. Many heroines.
No, even heroes do, but you don't have the balls to ask them that.
No.
Of course.
Why not? Why not?
Okay, ask.
Okay, acha fine.
Pick 5 heroes, ask them this question, and send me a clip.
Then you will answer this
Of
question.
course, I'll answer
Acha,
because you
fine.
don't have to.
Acha,
You will not ask them.
మీ చాలా స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్ చేశారు సినిమాల్లో. మీ చేసిన స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్ లో మీ మోస్ట్ ఫేవరెట్ అండ్
My
బెస్ట్
favorite songs. So all the songs from Shivaji, I love them. I think in terms of the 2 songs, one is the Manam song. I think it was very beautiful for me. I enjoyed doing that song with Nag. It has a little story. It was very cute and very nice.
Partara?
And with in Shivaji,
Baji?
I like Vaji a lot, but I just love. I think Vaji because I enjoy dancing in it a lot, but as one man's vision and really making it happen was Sahara Sarar Kupalo. It was just like it was his dream and the visuals, and it's very hard to have those visuals for a song like that, and it was one man's vision that worked. Shankar sir's.
Shriya, vanity bag lo unna items lo mi favorite item?
I hardly have anything, mostly my phone, and that's about it, and my lip balm, yeah.
మీ దగ్గర 1000 రూపీస్ ఉంటే 100% పైసా వసూలు అవ్వాలంటే ఏం కొంటారు?
100%?
పైసా వసూలు అవ్వాలంటే ఆ 1000 రూపీస్తో ఏం కొంటారు?
What will I do with 1000 rupees?
What will you buy?
Either I'll go watch a movie or watch a theatre play, because you're buying an experience and that stays with you forever.
Shriya has become care of success. ఆ సక్సెస్ శ్రియా అంటే కేర్ ఆఫ్ సక్సెస్. ఇప్పుడు శ్రియ చేసిన సినిమాలన్నీ సక్సెస్ అవుతున్నాయి అండ్ బిగ్ హిట్స్ అవుతున్నాయి. వాట్స్ దట్ సక్సెస్ మంత్ర శ్రియా ఫాలోస్ ఇన్ హర్ ఎవ్రీ ఫిల్మ్?
I don't know, I try to do films that work, resonates with me, and I try to work more with directors that I like. Because the movie is, how it's told is a lot about the director. So I like to work with directors that I like, and I like to work with people I'm comfortable with working.
Shriya, it was great talking to you.
Thank you.
ఫైనల్గా మీ పైసా వసూల్ నిజంగా అల్టిమేట్ హిట్ అవ్వాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాము. ఈ సినిమాలో మీ రోల్ గురించి లేదా మీరు బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసిన డైలాగ్ ఏమన్నా మాతో షేర్ చేసుకుంటారా?
Well, it was just fun to work on this film, and I always wanted to work with Puri sir, and it has some amazing star cast. I have some beautiful scenes with Ali Garu. They're fun. It's a comedy, right? And it's also a love story, a beautiful love story. And I hope you enjoy watching the film as much as I enjoyed working on it. And it's fun. I mean, it's fun to work with people you love and you enjoy, and yeah, so just happy to be part of this film.
అసలు బాలకృష్ణ డైలాగ్స్ వింటుంటే ఒక్కొక్కటి దే ఆర్ లైక్ యూ సిట్ ఆన్ ద ఎడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ద సీట్ అన్నట్టుంది. అదే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంటుందా మాకు థియేటర్లో?
I mean, just for the way he delivers his dialogues, and yeah, it's quite interesting. He's fun. I think he's fun at its best, and I'm sure you love it.
సో శ్రియా, చివరిగా మామ ఇక పెగ్గులా బాలకృష్ణ పాడిన పాట ఇప్పుడు ఎంత సెన్సేషన్ అయిందో మీకు తెలుసు. మీ నోటి వినాలని ఉన్నది.
Mama, ik pegla. Re mama, ik pegla. Tipu tipu tipu. Akasipu sipu sipu.
అయిపోయిందా?
అయిపోయింది.
ఓకే, దట్ వాస్ గ్రేట్ శ్రియా. విష్ యూ గుడ్ లక్. పైసా
Thank you.
వసూల్ 100% పైసా వసూల్ సినిమా అని మాకు అనిపించాలని మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Thank you.
Deva Shri Ganesha, Deva Shri Ganesha, Deva